HikCentral Professional, now smarter than ever with AcuSeek integration. The next generation of intelligent, unified search is here. With AcuSeek, HCP connects seamlessly across various hardware and scenarios, delivering powerful, comprehensive search capabilities. Users can search platform-wide for people and vehicles using text, images, or attributes quickly and accurately in over 30 languages. Filter by time, location, or scenario for precise, real-time results. Every data point is logically connected, every clue intelligently linked. Let's see how HCP with AcuSeek performs a real search. Meet John, who can't remember where he left his birthday cake. John visits the security desk for help. The guard uses HCP to review John's recent movements and camera logs. They discover John left his cake in the staff canteen, where someone wearing a white shirt and black pants took it by mistake. The guard searches, person in white shirt, black pants, carrying cake. Within seconds, AcuSeek finds the match. The footage shows the person entering a blue Jeep, but the license plate isn't visible. They check today's parking records and entrance logs. AcuSeek matches similar vehicles and retrieves related footage instantly. The system identifies the Jeep's owner, visitor David. The linked footage shows he went to the laboratory. The guard approaches David. It was all a misunderstanding. David had accidentally taken John's cake. This is HCP with AcuSeek, connecting people, vehicles, and data across devices to make every search faster and smarter. No more manual footage review. Experience the future of intelligent search with HikCentral Professional and AcuSeek.